Hi everyone. Today let's try to solve another problem on projections of planes. It is the fifth problem. We have the question like this. A triangular plane lamina of sides 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its corners touching it such that the side opposite to the corner on which it rests is 15 mm above HP and makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. Draw the top and front views in this position. Also, determine the inclination of the lamina to the reference plane. Here, in the second part, they have not given the angle with respect to HP. Instead, they have given it is resting at an height of 15 mm. So now let's try to solve this particular problem. So the triangle is resting on one of its corners. We'll fit the screen. We'll take the normal line. We'll take the normal line. We'll write here in caps X, here Y, VP and HP. So we'll place it at the desired positions that we need. So once we have this, we'll draw the triangle of 25 mm sides resting on one of its corners. So now from here I will start the triangle. So the 25 mm, enter, enter. With the alignment indicator on, I'll place it out here and then I will give the angle as 25, enter, again, once again enter, and finally I will join it here. You have to get 25 mm. Now I will change the line to normal. From this tip, I'll project the line upwards, and from here, I'll project the line upwards. Then I'll trim the excess lines so that it intersects out here correctly. I'll change the line to visible. We'll make the front view of the triangle. Now we'll name it. So this particular point is A, this one is B, and this one is C. Here it becomes A dash, here B dash, bracket C dash, bracket close. We will place it bit up so that it is visible. So we'll give the dimension of the triangle as 25 mm. Now we'll draw a reference line, normal XY line once again here, so that it gives the height of 15 mm. Now we'll specify the height. Here the height is 15 mm. Now we'll measure the height over here. The distance of this is 20.65. We'll take the line. We'll make the line visible. We'll start the line from here and I will place the line onto the 15 mm height line, and I will specify the length of the line as 21.65, and then I will press enter. It will take the angle automatically. Press once again enter, and then project the line downwards, changing the line to normal line, and from this particular point to the downwards. From here it comes and touches here B, and B meets out here, C and C meets out here. You can draw an excess line and then trim it so that you won't make any mistakes. Now we'll change the line to visible from here till here, from that till the tip and till here. We'll name the namings. We'll copy it from here, A dash, and this particular naming from here, B dash, and another A from here, B and C. Now we have to measure the angle out here. That's what it has been asked in the question. We have to give the angle here. So you get the angle as 44 degree. Now later it is said that this particular triangle is tilted at an angle of 30 degree with respect to VP. For that I'll copy this particular triangle, selecting all the sides, and I will drag it out, and then here I'll click on rotate. I'll uncheck this particular copy option, and I'll give here this particular thing. I'll give the position angle as minus 30. Enter. So now I'll place it at the relevant positions that I need. I'll place it here. I'll trim this line, excess line. I'll draw a line and then I will trim the excess line. which I don't need. After that, we'll project the lines. We'll take the normal line from here till the top, till here I'll take, and this particular point is of A that comes till here. Now I will use this extend to next command to draw the lines further here. By just clicking on the line, it goes on extending. We'll trim the excess line. Now we'll change the line to visible and we'll draw the triangle in the front view from here till here, from that till the tip till here. Now coming back to the namings, here it is C dash and here it is B dash and this one is A dash. For this I will copy the namings by holding the control key. I will drag the names. We'll give the angle out here. This one is 30 degree and here this particular thing completes the problem.